Where are you now that I need you?
What's up, what's up, what's up? What's up, guys? It's your girl, Ariana, that cute little brown girl everybody want a little taste of. Okay, some may call me QT, and some may call me Ariana. Some may think that I look a little bit like Mildred, but I don't. But we are here to react to 100,000... Godly! 1,000 degree chicken fire mesh versus hot Cheeto experiment by my main man Roy from Guava Juice and also Wasabi Productions, all those good things. But let's go ahead, get it rocking, get it popping, get it started, and react.
What's up, YouTube? Today we're going to do 1,000 degree chicken wire versus everything. Let's do this.
Come on. So he's just supposed to be able to to cut through it or something? The stuff that he plays would be so dangerous. It just be, it just be like, why are we doing this right now? Somebody please stop him, because he won't stop until, I don't know how to explain it. He's not even talking. I'm so used to him talking and explaining what he's doing next and why. This is actually a really weird video for me. And if you watch any of Guava Juice's stuff, you would know these are those moments where he's talking. It's just like music. It's kind of just awkward. You think? Yeah, it's kind of awkward. The fire alarm. He just broke the egg. He didn't even try. Why is he not talking? Is this not irritating anybody else? Maybe it's just me. Okay, I'll take it. He's just burning this stuff. I don't get it. Where does he think of this stuff at? Guava Juice, why are you not talking? This is irritating me. This is gonna irritate me. Oh, that's sweet. Wherever this little wire mesh is, it don't matter how many times you burn this. So if you're trying to escape and this is in your way, don't use fire, because this is obviously not going to do nothing. Better videos by Guava Juice. There was no talking in that, and I'm not bashing him. Maybe something he's sick, I don't know. But if you have not subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe. Like I said, it's your girl Ariana, that cute little brown girl everybody want a little taste of. But I love you guys so much. Go ahead and hit that like button, comment down below, and more information about the giveaway. You have to follow me on my my Instagram, and you have to comment down below. Done. Okay. Also, you have to follow me on Twitter and take a picture of your of the Instagram post. You know what I'm saying? Done. But we are going to be picking, I'm going to pick 2 people, and those 2 people for an entire week, their names or whatever you decide that you want me to put on my video will be running through or will be in my videos for that week. Alright, so that's like a little shout out. That's tight. Am I right or right? Yeah. But I love you guys. You already know what it is. I'm out.
Where are you now that I need you?